guys, today I'm here and we're going to a hotel tonight because if you guys don't know, that last video that I made with that hotel, the thunderstorm, we're gonna have another thunderstorm, so we're going to get a hotel again. But anyways, guys, you guys know me, I'm sick, and so yeah, so I'm gonna stand in the sun because I'm sick. So if you guys can see my shadow, look at my shadow, look at my shadow. But anyways, guys, yeah, it's hot, but it's okay. Okay, well, guys, my dad is bringing me an ice lolly. I mean, my grandpa, guys. My grandpa. Yeah, I mean my grandpa. My grandpa's bringing me an ice lolly. Ooh, or ice cream. I think it's an ice lolly, but I'm not sure if it's an ice cream or an ice lolly. But anyways, he's bringing me. So, yeah, and I'm gonna get my girls. Lily is staying at home because we called her. We called my mom to check on her while I go to the hotel tonight. So yeah, and then my other little ones are going with, and here's my sun beetles. I'm gonna have to feed them. There, I'm gonna have to feed them. They eat leaves. I don't know if they eat them, but I'm just there every single day in, and they're staying alive. So I think they're eating. So yeah. Oh my gosh, guys! Why is this one so hard to get in? Like literally. Okay, there we go. Sun beetle. There's little one. There. And there's little two. And there's little 3, there's little 4, and there's little 5, and there's little 6, and there's little 7. There's a lot of littles. There's little 8. I got a lot of littles. But anyways, guys, Layla Lee is upstairs sleeping still. Luca, I'm gonna have to dress up. She is dry, so I'm gonna dress her up and do her hair so we can go to the hotel. So yeah. But anyways, guys, the thunderstorm is going to be tomorrow, and I just want to be safe in case that this thunderstorm is going to come early tomorrow. So that means that I can't drive to the hotel if it goes early in the morning. So that's why I want to go tonight already. But here's Autumn. She's sick. Yeah. Kaylee, she has a little cold, but Autumn has a flu, so hope she doesn't get wet. But anyways, guys, yeah, I am going to pack everything, and yeah. Oh, guys, I have homework to do also. I don't really want to do it, but since I'm sick and I'm staying home from school, the teacher sent me homework so I can do it at home, so then I don't have to do it at school. Because I'm sick and I'm missing work at school. So now I'm doing my work at home that I had to do at school because I didn't go to school. I'm sick. Oh, and this is what my friend drew for me. She's a really good artist. I think she's an artist, but for me it looks like she's an artist because she drew this. But anyways, I think I'm an artist because I can draw a lot of stuff. So yeah. Sorry guys, but anyways, now I'm gonna pack their stuff and my stuff. So we're gonna take this bag because I don't know what other bag is there. So yeah. Okay, so I am taking this bag. And then the Stitch bag, this is where I get Snoopy at school. Snoopy, that's where I get sweets at school and bread and that stuff. Snoopy, and then I put my money in here. Oh, guys, I have $20 and $14 and $20.14 and 20 cents. I don't know what it's called, but for me it's called $20. I had $65, but then my mom wanted to go buy some cool drink, so then I had to give her $40, because Coca-Cola in Orlando is $30, and we wanted something to eat, so yeah, we bought some sweets from $15, but my grandpa needed to get more money by my auntie, so yeah. But anyways, guys, this bag I'm gonna put all the medicine in, so yeah. And if you guys were wondering where I got this bag, I got it from Shein, so yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna pack all the medicine in, so yeah. Okay guys, so I got all the medicine in here, so yeah. Oh, and I got a bandage in case somebody gets hurt, so yeah. But anyways, I am gonna put this over, probably on my back, because this one has a handle so I can whee it around, so yeah. Oh, and I have another suitcase, but I don't think I need that much stuff, so I don't think I need that one, so yeah. I'm totally gonna have to bring my money because I need to buy something, and I don't know how much, but I am gonna take like 20 cents. No, not 20 cents, but I don't know how much is it by the hotel to eat, but I'm probably gonna take my grandpa's money to get something to eat there. So yeah. But I'm gonna, what should I take next? I'm not gonna take my Sun Beetles. They will be fine in here, so yeah. But anyways, guys, I am gonna pack more stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna pack. So, yeah. Oh, obviously I'm gonna have to pack some clothes. This for Autumn, and this for Kaylee. Oh, and if you guys wondered where I got these reborns, they're real reborns. I got them from Shein, so yeah. They are reborn dolls, and these are the small reborn dolls. These are the 60-inch dolls, reborn dolls. 55 centimeters reborn dolls. So if you guys want one or two like me, you have to go check on Shein. They have. So yeah. But anyways, guys, Shein has thousands of those reborn dolls. So yeah. Oh, and guys, my grandpa's here. Oh yay, guys, Zoom. I love the Zoom. So guys, my grandpa tricked me and said he didn't bring me an ice lolly, but look what came, an ice lolly. So yeah. So I'm gonna pack and eat my ice lolly and drink my Zoom. So yeah. I'm probably gonna have to pack Kaylee's little teddy bear. So guys, of course, my girls are gonna choose a toy to take. But little toys, not these toys, because they're too big. So little toys, like that hammy. So yeah. But Kaylee can't pick anymore because she already got the stuffy. So yeah. Guys, I'm eating my lolly. Let me show you guys. I'm eating my lolly. It's so yummy. Okay, so you can pick another one because you just picked stickers and you need a toy. So you can pick another one if you want. No, I'm good with stickers, but you're gonna be bored. Okay, fine. Whoa, Stella, do you not think that's a little bit too big? No. Okay, fine, you could have it. So guys, I'm done eating my ice lolly, so now I'm gonna drink my Zoom. Yeah. Yummy. Yummy Zoom. But anyways, guys, yeah. Because I'm still sick, so yeah. It's okay because I'm better. Today is my 3rd day of antibiotic. that means it's my last day of antibiotic, and I'm gonna drink that when my mom drinks hers, and hers is gonna be, I don't know. Mommy, I have these little things and Stella has a big little drone. It's not a drone, it's a doll drone. You wanna see how it works? Please. Okay, Stella, you can go shoot it. Yay! I'm going to go shoot it. I'm going to go shoot it. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it. I don't know if it's gonna shoot because I'm so short, but I'm gonna try and shoot it. And shoot it! Whoa, that's way harder. It's so easier than I thought. So that's what Stella did. See, Stella? Yeah, I want that. I want it so badly now. Okay, well, you can play with it. Yay! This was $200, guys. We bought it and it was $200. I got money from my mom? I'm not sure. No, my grandma, my other grandma. I got money from my other grandma. I think I got $100. And then my mom gave me another $100. And then I bought it. So, yeah. So, guys, now that everybody got... Girls! Look at you girls and stuff and look at theirs. You girls can go get 2 more. Yay! Because look how small yours is and look how big theirs is. That's not fair. You can go get more. Yay! Mommy, can I have this? Sure, you can have that. Mommy, can I have this? Do you not think it's a little bit too big? No? Okay, fine. You can have it. Yay! Luca, come on, get dressed and we're going. Okay. Okay, they are here and Layla and Luca is here and Layla is also not feeling good, but I am feeling good. I just had a fever last night. I think it was last night, or was it not last night? Yeah, it was last night, right?
Yes. What did you say? Yes.
Yeah, so you guys heard it. I had a fever, but I didn't think I have today. But anyways, my friend had a party today, and I couldn't go because I'm sick. It was a pool party, my favorite pool parties, but I couldn't go. Oh, and my school had a sport day that we go to. What is the place name? Garden Bridge. We went to Garden Bridge, but I didn't go because I'm sick to play sports. But I'm sick, so I couldn't go. But anyways, guys, it's over, I think. Is it over? No. Oh, it's till 8 o'clock in the night, so it's not over. But my friend's is 2 o'clock over. She started 10 o'clock, and I think she ends 2 o'clock. So I think she's almost over. But anyways, yeah. So now we're going to pack again and get ready, and then we're gonna go. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna pack yours, and mine. So yeah. So guys, I said that this suitcase won't get full, but I am gonna show you guys something. So yeah, it's full. So guys, it is full, so looks like I'm gonna have to go to the other one. So yeah, suitcase, so yeah. Oh guys, we forgot about Abby. Abby, choose a toy. Quickly. Okay. So guys, Abby chose a toy, and this is her toy. So now I'm throwing it in. Now it's my turn to choose a toy. Guys, I guess I'm gonna take this Squid Game guard stuffy and this, I don't know, girly stuffy. What we got at the Chinese, and this we got at the what's it called? This carnival. Yeah, we got it from the carnival. So yeah. Well, it was in a claw machine. We tried to get it out, but we couldn't get it, and then a random guy gave it to us. So he won it, and looks like he didn't know what to do with it, so he gave it to us. So yeah. So now we have it. And we wanted it. My mom wanted it because we loved Squid Game. And guys, you have to go check that Squid Game edit. I love it. And I love Thanos and Player 456. I love those two. I like them because they're just, I don't know, I just like them. First, who I liked before Thanos came in is Player 456. In season 1, and then when Thanos came in, then I liked him too. So now I have two boys that I like in Squid Game, Thanos and Player 456. But I like Player 456 more than Thanos. So yeah, guys, even my bestie likes Thanos. So you guys should know, if my bestie likes Thanos, then you know how much I like Thanos, if my bestie likes Thanos. So yeah, comment down below if you like Thanos. But anyways, I'm gonna keep packing. Okay, now I'm taking my homework. So yeah, I have to do my homework in here. It's my homework book, so yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm definitely packing my homework book because I have to do my homework, my spelling. If you guys don't know, I'm in grade 4, so yeah. My pencil case. If you guys don't know, everything by my school is Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. All my books, my math book, my social science book, the social science book, my math book, everything. Here, let me show you guys. This is my life skills book. It's Hello Kitty. So yeah. And this is my English book, Hello Kitty. My reading book, my portfolio, my homework. This is where I write all my homework in. So my homework book is Hello Kitty. Everything by my school is Hello Kitty. But I left my books at school. So that is just some books that I got. Brought home. So yeah. Okay guys, so now we're going to begin packing. We did pack, but we're going to begin packing the stuff that we need. So yeah. Like food, water, drinks on the way to the hotel. So yeah. Okay guys, we're going to the car. So yeah, the girls are already in the car, but I have to carry all these suitcases, all the drinks, all the snacks, and yeah. So we're at the car, so yeah. Okay guys, we're in the car, and there's actually literally no space in the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive. Girls, you want to listen to music? Yes! Okay. Pew pew. Pew pew. And turn. Beep beep beep. Mommy, can we listen to Barbie? Sure. Well, I'm in plastic. It's fantastic. You can brush my hair and dress me everywhere. Actually, Mommy, do you not think it's copyright? Actually, it is. It's copyright. What can we listen to? I don't know. Maybe I'll put some music, like random music on that you will like. Okay. Oh, yeah! We're here, girls. The hotel. Yep, that is really far. Yeah, it's really far, but anyways, we're here. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna carry all the suitcases, everything outside, so yeah. Okay, guys, so we're going right now. Wait, is that door closed? Let me check. Closed. That door is closed. Let's check this one. Yeah, this one's closed. Okay, it's closed. Let's. Sorry, guys, it's dark. So you guys can see it's dark because it's nighttime. I just finished washing everybody's hair, so yeah. Kaylee and Autumn is in the bathroom. Autumn is getting sick, and Kaylee is pooping. So yeah, but they're in separate bathrooms, so they don't watch each other puke and poop. So yeah. But anyways, guys, we're going to bed right now. We're just gonna have a little lunch, snacky, and dinner, and then we're going ahead to bed. So yeah. So I'm going to the vending machine so we can just get a little snack, like chips, a drink. So yeah. So now I'm going to the vending machine. Guys, so I got some cookie. So guys, I ordered what is these called? So guys, I ordered pastries and she's now packing it in. She's gonna pack it in a bag, so yeah. So I am going to have to take them upstairs and eat them in the hotel. So yeah. So guys, yeah, I ordered that from my grandma and she's eating it right now. I gave it to her. She's also in this hotel tonight again. But yeah, she's also in the hotel tonight. So yeah. Girls, I got cookie and good drink. Did you get it out the vending machine? Yes, got it out the vending machine, so yeah. So guys, Autumn just stopped and yeah, she doesn't want to eat. But anyways, guys, we're gonna try to get her to eat, but not can drink. She needs to drink, and she says she's thirsty, so she needs to drink, and then she's probably gonna dress up in her clothes and sleep, so yeah. Okay, so we're just in a bathroom, waiting for Kaylee to stop pooping. So yeah. So guys, I'm wiping her off. Washing my hands. So guys, yeah. Autumn is again in the bathroom. So yeah, but this time she's pooping. So yeah. Okay guys, I think it's time for me to go get Autumn out the bathroom. She's like been a lot of times in the bathroom. Autumn, come. Okay. Guys, I got Autumn out the bathroom, so yeah. Hey Autumn, sweetie, here, have something to drink. Okay, well guys, I brought the medicine kit with me so I can use it. So yeah. Get all the medicine stuff out. I need some medicine. And where's the spoon? Wait, we need the thermometer and the spoon. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna check Autumn if she has a fever. So yeah. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, yeah, guys, she has a fever, so I'm going to give her some medicine. Okay, here's your medicine, Autumn. Look, guys, there's medicine. So, yeah. Gross. Here, have some water. This is actually not water. This is orange juice. So, yeah. Okay, you can rest a little, guys. Guys, she doesn't feel good, so, yeah, I'm just gonna quickly check her blood pressure. Okay, her blood pressure is a little high because she's sick, so, yeah. So, you can have a little rest. Okay. So, guys, she didn't even want to dress up. Her tummy is sore. So, now she's sleeping. She didn't even want to stand up and dress up. So, now she's sleeping. Poor Autumn. Like that. Well, she turned around. Oh, little Autumn. Her tummy's probably sore. That's why she's laying on her tummy to make it better. But anyways, guys, I'm going to drink a little orange juice, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to put this away. Actually, no, I'm going to keep it here because I need to get the thermometer to wake her up and see if her fever's down or not. But anyway, I'm going to break this cookie for us to have all together. Okay, that looks like enough breaking. Or actually, I can do this. Actually, no, it's too hard. Okay. So, guys, everybody had a piece of cookie, so now it's just my cookie left. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I ate my cookie, and now everybody's going to sleep, so yeah.